now. Okay, welcome everyone. Hope everyone is okay. Had a beautiful weekend, right? So it looks interesting. Let me just take a look at GJ over here. Kinda interesting. Okay, does it look at gold as well? Yeah, okay. Looks like Asian session was ranging quite a bit, which is pretty good. It means that we may have a bit of volume today. News today is pretty basic. There's fucking nothing here, which is nice to see. Very, very nice. London Open is in an hour, isn't it? Yes. Oh yes. Okay, welcome everyone. I'm going to be doing the analysis now for these pairs over here. So let's start it off. So it looks like GJ had a little bit of a gap up, which is okay. I'm just going to use FXT out now because no everyone else likes it. So it looks like this is the daily flip at the moment, but it did gap up a little bit. So it does look like price is potentially continuing back up. Look where we've passed as well. We've passed this key area, which I've wanted it to do in the past couple 4-hour hourly candles, back above this area, which is the major support. If we break above this area, then we should continue up to the next resistance, which is 155 here. Very, very simple. So looking pretty good for GJ to continue. Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. 4 hours pretty bullish. Doesn't have a bottom wick, but we are very, very bullish on this candle, which is good. Potentially exceeding the highs of previous candles soon, which is looking nice. Looking like we're making, you know, little supports, always continuing up. Clean candles to the left as well. So looking pretty nice. Oof. Let's take a look right now then. So it looks like the hourly time frame has already made its lower wick. The 30-minute is coming up over here. Let's take a look on the 15 as well. Yeah, so this is the resistance that we have right now. Looking like we're potentially breaking that right now. Let's take a look on the 15-minute. How much it stops here? Ooh, very, very nice. So looking like potentially we're going to break above very, very shortly. Maybe exceed the high of the previous. That could be quite nice to continue bullish over here. To at least 153,640. So yeah, it looks pretty interesting actually. Let me just get this up. So the 30-minute hasn't closed above. However, the hourlies and stuff, the hourlies closed above, so it's kind of reasonable to potentially maybe take some impulses if this candle exceeds the high. There's a lot of wicks to the left, so you could either wait for it to exceed the high and get in with stop loss below, or you could wait until you get a 15 closure, which would be reasonable. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Good morning, good morning. What's up, bro? I just want to ask what happened with London session. What do you mean? What do you mean, boy? What do you mean, what happened with it? We're on it now. So yeah, I mean the hourly's closed above, so it does look good to continue. The 30-minute hasn't yet, the 15 hasn't. However, it does look like a lot of momentum is coming in. 9 pips on that. Oh man, could be quite nice. And as I said, clean candles to the left as well. So it could be pretty good. Let's take a look here then. Yeah, weekly no bottom wick. Yeah, I mean, that's okay for me. Look how far we've pushed from the weekly. Oh, the weekly in this kind of does have one. That doesn't really affect me that much. Look at this 5-minute. Yeah, man. I think if we exceed this high, we're good enough to continue. So it is not even 7:30 yet, so we've got a lot of time, which is good. This is why I've got up a bit earlier, because I can be seeing these little tiny moves that are happening every so often, which is good to see. Let's take a look. Put that on there. Nice. Okay. Let's take a look at some questions here. Oh, no wonder. Yeah. London session is now 7 AM. Ooh, it's at 8 AM, but I just think the volume recently, there's been a lot before, so. Good morning, new week, new opportunities yet. Better to wait for 15-minute closure? Yeah, potentially, because there isn't much time for it to be, to have left, which is good. So it does look pretty nice, guys. So yeah, welcome to a new week over here. New week.
What's up, Maxi boy?
What's up, Finny boy? I heard you're having fun on Friday.
On Friday?
You're fucking bevued.
What was I?
I'm pretty sure.
Oh, yeah, I was. We finished work a little bit early and we went back to my mate's house and started playing beer pong.
Jeez.
You guys play beer pong?
Yeah.
I won 6-0. No one could beat me.
Fucking hell.
Anyway, what I was going to say was, what do you think? I'm assuming you've done your analysis already, but what do you think of gold buys above 1978?
Yeah, I'll take a look.
I've been liking gold recently.
Yeah, me too, man. I heard you got another
Gold
payout or something. You got another payout on your thing.
Yeah, I'm up, coming up for my third one at the end of this week. I know, it's getting bigger too.
Not too bad, eh?
I actually had a good week last week.
Yeah. I think a lot of people did, to be fair. I didn't take a loss. It was quite good. Yeah, it was nice. Yeah, so the daily's bearish, coming down to that level again. Let's take a look at the 4 hour.
I think it could come back up.
Yeah, the 4 hours right in support, eh?
Yeah.
4 hours right in support. So yeah, it's either
keeps bouncing off it.
Yeah.
I just think to buy it back above, ride it back up to the daily flip.
Yeah, that could be pretty good.
Either that or sell it back below.
Let's take a look at this level.
1972 or something.
Yeah, it's in like a 70 pip range from 1977 to 1972.
Yeah,
but
somewhere down there, either buys or sells above or below would be good by the looks of it.
Yeah, for sure. So it looks like potentially buys above 1977.8, like here. Potentially sells below. So how long has it been ranging this area? Yeah, the whole fucking Asian session. So Asian session's been shit. Yeah.
I think if it gets out, it might just fucking go fourth. We've been looking at it a lot, and as soon as it breaks out, a lot of the time you just gotta set a buy or sell stop at the highs of the previous
and just hope it
candles
pushes.
or whatever, because it just fucking goes.
Yeah. It does.
It's just scary with like a 50 pip stop loss.
Yeah. 3 AM instead of 4 AM today, isn't it? Yeah, so I just started a bit earlier because there's some moves that I'm missing a bit earlier on, so I wanted to take them. Yes, sir. So yeah, potentially with gold, let's see what the 4 hour's doing. Yeah, if the 4 hour flips and continues back up, that would be nice. It's just, do I want to get in at 977 or a bit higher up here? 981. Yeah, maybe there. You can see that is a clear resistance level. Above there, it'd fill up easily to 1990, 1989. So yeah, it looks pretty good, man. This is looking like quite an easy session on GJ and stuff. Looking like it's in a range. You just wait until we break above or below. Should be nice. I do think we're going to get a buy above though, because this hourly closed above. And yeah, the last 4 hour did close bearish though, which is a bit annoying to be honest. But we shall see. We shall see. Hope everyone's having had a really good weekend. I'm watching that Drive to Survive already. Fuck.
Oh, how good is it?
She's sick in it. Proper.
Daniel Ricciardo, what a fucking man.
I know, God, he had some stress though that season. Fuck, he's getting bummed.
Yeah.
Bless him.
Yeah.
The little lad was just beating him, looking Lando. He's been savage.
Lando's a beast.
If you watch the thing, he's like, "Why should I feel sorry for him?" It's like, "Oh my god."
Well, to be fair though, but why should he?
Yeah, no, it's true. Well, he's still maybe if you're a teammate, you're like, "Fuck, man, I wouldn't be a dickhead to him." It's probably not going to help him even more if you say that.
Mate, Lando's a beast.
Yeah. So if this hourly exceeds the high right now, hourly stops are going to be 10 pips. Yeah, man, that's going to be very much reasonable for me. Very much reasonable. So it's at 422. And as I said, the first side resistance to the 30-minute over here is right around 153,640. So quite a nice zone. I remember you used to use Oanda, not FXM. Yeah, I've decided to potentially move over because everyone else used to use this one, and also you can see the gap, and then that's when you know that maybe you can get the gap to fill. It doesn't really matter, to be honest. I mean, it does a little bit for lines, but no, it's not going to change massively. So yeah, so coming back to this area where it looks like GJ is liking at the moment to make big wicks to the downside and flip and continue. So yeah, I'm thinking about potentially buys above a buy stop here, because it'll be exceeding the high of the previous 30, etc, etc. And it's also made that rejection wick. So yeah, it'll be based on the hourly time frame, I think. But I think now, if this candle comes back to this area, which it's doing again, where there was support before here, etc. If it comes back and wicks back up and exceeds that high, it's going to push up, isn't it? Gibling a little stab GJ sell. Ooh, GJ sells. Nah, I'm going to wait for GJ sells below 153,198. Good morning, Vincent. Yeah, I'm going to wait until a bit later on. What broker do you use? IC Markets. If you guys want to join that broker, make sure to use this link. Helps me out. I get a bit of commission instead of IC Markets getting all of it. And it is the best broker by far. Don't have to publicize that, it's pretty obvious. Let's take a look later on then this week. Is there a lot of news? PPI tomorrow. Ooh, a lot of US news on Wednesday. Shit, that's gonna be interesting. 6 o'clock.
Morning, Max.
Morning, my man. How are you doing? Yeah, not too bad, not too bad.
Listen, I'm actually looking at sales because 4 hours no bottom week. Previous 4 hour closed bearish, so I'm actually looking at sales.
Yeah. And do you want to get in here, or where are you looking at getting in?
Yeah, after 4 hour, I'm looking at the 4 hour because it's a nice range, to break below and drive it down.
That'd be nice.
Exactly. Clean there. Clean.
Yeah, that would be pretty good. That would be pretty nice. I'm just gonna go get my cup of tea. Sorry, my dad's put outside my room. One sec. Oh.
Working, Jason? Sitting there on the grind at work?
Yo, funny boy. Nah, man, I'm at home today. Just chilling in bed. It's kind of cold this morning, man.
Nice.
Laptop on my fat ass stomach.
You say cold, do you mean plus 25 or something?
Excuse me, Vince, what did you just say now? Excuse me?
What do you call cold? 20 degrees Celsius or something?
Cold for me is...
I think like 9, okay, like say 18, 19.
Holy shit.
That's cold for you. You fucking kidding me?
Yeah, I live close to the ocean, buddy. It's fucking freezing.
What is that in
man.
degrees?
Yeah.
Fucking 18 degrees. I'd say cold for me is like, I'd say like below 5 is like cold, like really cold.
Fuck sakes, we don't have that kind of weather here, but man. I'm from Africa.
Yeah, that's true. You know.
Yeah, true. Sorry, I forgot about that.
Oh, mate.
Oh, this GJ's coming back up, baby.
Yeah, 12 pip stop.
Oh, you want this now?
Yeah, bro. For the hourly push.
Yeah, right. I was thinking you want. Yeah, sweet.
Let's take a look on the 30. Yeah, the 30 has exceeded the low, to be fair, so I'll keep an eye on it. But I do think if we flip, it's going to be based on the hourly time frame. I can have a 12 pip stop, so that's kind of why I'm looking at it. So it'll be actually at 4-2. Oh, fuck off. Where is it? Ah, there we go. Oh my god, what can I do? Oh, there. There we go. Sort it out now. Why is my fucking screen over there? Sorry, I'm just fucking sorting out my MetaTrader. Right, so there's 10 minutes left for this 30-minute candle, which is nice to see. We are potentially flipping over here. Holy fuck, my chart is zoomed out to shit. Okay, I can't even put it on because my chart is so fucked. What the fuck is going on? I literally can't see my fucking chart. What the fuck is going on with this? Oh, okay, over here. Beautiful work. Potentially coming up to this buy over here, and I've been hitting over here. Nice. So we have a 12 pip stop on this high. I think for me that is pretty reasonable. So yeah, we'll see. We will see. A bit of an early morning trade. Based on the hourly time frame, the hourly hasn't exceeded the low. Made a nice rejection wick. So yeah, 1 second. Why is this fucking chart just fucking me up over here? 1 sec.
Hey Max, what did you have the weekend that you in this trade?
What?
What did you have the weekend?
What did I have at the weekend?
Yeah.
What did I do at the weekend?
Yeah, the fact that you in this trade.
Oh, right. What do you mean? Why are you talking about the weekend? Oh, what did I have on the weekend?
Yeah, you're getting like early bird catches the
Yeah,
worm.
bro, I'm adapting it because the past couple of weeks I've been seeing fucking all you boys getting in at 7 o'clock, 7:50, and I'm fucking asleep, man. Fuck that. I need early bird's the word, bro.
This trade looks so good now, like it could work, but I'm so cautious. Fuck, it's Monday, man.
Ah, shit, yeah, it was 15342. Yeah, sorry, boys. So yeah, we'll see. Beautiful, right, okay, I've sorted it now. Fucking hell. Right, beautiful work over here. So, looking pretty nice now. Take a look at the hourly and the 30-minute. We're breaking above these areas, which is what I wanted. Getting a bit of an early entry over here. Coming towards 2-3 pips profit, which is nice to see. And yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Are you in already? Yep.
Hey, it's just exceeded the highs as well.
Yeah, looks good, man. Take a
Or
look at the 4 hour.
close to.
Yes, sir. I like the rejection wicks, man. gold coming as well. Oh yeah, we'll take a look at gold in a sec as well. So beautiful. 12 pip stops are nice as well, man. Looking good, looking good. Are you in already? Yeah. Are you going to wait for a closure? Nope, because it's based on the hourly and I can get hourly stops below. So, and we've rejected them lowers numerous times now. So. Let me just delete that. Let me just put this on. You get me, boy.
Fuck, I didn't put this on. I wasn't sure. But it looks like it's gonna play out.
Ah, you should have, bro. Yeah, look at the
Oh, I
hourly.
just
Look at the
wanted
hourly.
that-
The hourly closed above.
Yeah.
And rejected.
Yeah, I'm looking at the hourly. I was just looking at that bit of 15-minute support there.
Mm.
And I was just like, fuck, well played. About it.
Beautiful. Stop loss to break even over here, there, guys. Wicked stuff.
Cracker.
Beautiful, beautiful. Should come to TP1 over here, which is nice. So risk-free trade in the morning. If it hits me out, tough shit. If not, then great. Should come to TP1. So yeah. That'll be interesting. But yeah, hopefully this hits. If not, then a good start to the week, man. A lot of volume, which is good to see. I very like it. Me gusta mucho. So yeah, I just saw that that hourly flipping, didn't exceed the low of the previous, respecting these wicks just like before, and that should continue over here. Pretty easy setup, guys. So if you guys took that in the chat, beautiful work. Hopefully you can hit TP1. Still hasn't hit mine yet, so yeah, we'll see. Looks like a lot of influx of volume though, which is good though, because Asian as well. I think the reason why I was also confident with it is because Asian was ranging. So when Asian ranges, GJ on London normally pushes along. Pushes a lot, sorry. So yeah, we'll see. Hit about 8 pips or 9 pips. Hit 8.5, so hopefully you can continue over here to TP1. Here we go, beautiful. Should continue now. So yeah, good start to the morning. I do think GJ is going to continue, especially when this hourly closes in 30 minutes bullish above. Oof, for sure. It's going to be looking tasty. Yeah, because if the hourly closes above over here, clean candles to the left as well. Oh, come on, I want it to hit 10 pips before this fucking chills out. Looks good now. Yeah, the 4 hour has no bottom wick. Yeah, that's true. But for me, it was breaking the highs, you know, a lot of bullish pressure, and I rejected the lows again for the 15th millionth time, so I was very, very happy with that. GJ long exposure, yep. Someone says very dangerous buys in this area. I don't know. I don't know about that. Doesn't look too dangerous to me. Oh, come on. It's just floating around 5-6 pips. Anyway, let's take a look at gold now. So, looking like gold is potentially coming down to the lows. Ooh. Gold is coming down to the lows. Which is interesting to see. Yeah, so potentially maybe a 30-minute closure below. Then there is a bit of support there, which is a bit annoying. That's actually not too bad. The pips you can get to there. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. see Mar 430 and GJ. Yeah. So guys, make sure to go in Discord if you want to send me some charts. I can take a look at them. So yeah. Looking like it may be relaxing over here, but I got my little push potentially to get 10 pips. If not, then that's fine. See if we can hold off. Take a look at the 5 minute now. Yeah, it's got a flip out, boy. So now after that push, then yeah, I gotta wait for closures and stuff, and wait for 8 AM open and stuff like that. But we'll see. Hopefully it can still continue. Waiting for 30-minute closure above. Also close bottom wick. What's this for? GJ or gold? Come on, flip that 5-minute, boy. Get pushing. There we go. Beautiful work. There we go. Coming to TP1, guys, soon. You fucking better do. Just need to pass above this little violate the highs, boy. So yeah, let's take a look at a different pair. Aud Jpy we're going to take a look at now. Which has been a pair that we're going to be studying this week as well. Looks very, very nice. So yeah, we're going to take a look at that. I'll do FXCM again. Keep on one. FXCM, beautiful work. Right. Okay, so looks like the daily time frames on Aud Jpy have been huge. Shit. Oh, GJ, come on, you're so close, you pussy. Come on, GJ. But yeah, Aud Jpy. Let's take a look. So it looks like overall we are bullish, coming towards some resistance, which is fine. Take a look at where the weekly closed last week. You can see here, pretty bullish last week, which is fine. So could be just making the low wick now to continue bullish. Didn't close above, so yeah, could act as a resistance as well. But the daily time frame at the moment is bearish. Did have a little gap down? Yeah, did have a little bit of a gap down. Didn't really affect it too much, which is okay. Take a look here. Yeah, beautiful work. So yeah, daily time frame bearish right now. That's okay. Let's look at the 4 hour. 4 hour has rejected their high, as you can see. Pretty simple. 4 hours have just retraced a little bit. Doesn't mean it's a sell-off. It's just, you know, retracing a little bit more, which is fine. So look at this on the 4 hour. Yeah, wicked stuff. Let's take a look then. So if Aud Jpy needs to continue, wants to continue, it's got to close potentially above this area to respect this resistance and make it a support, just like it did over here. Okay, which would be nice. Looks like my GJ over here may get hit out, unfortunately, which would be a shame. Violate the highs. Violate the highs, boy. Still can't.
I'm actually on AJ. Hourly is closed below. Yeah, hourly is closed below. And a top wick has been formed, so I might just jump in on the flip. It's fucking tasty. We are so close.
Yeah.
Balls deep.
Yeah, so take a look at the hourly. The hourly has rejected. The hourly has closed up below, just like Jason said. So look at the 30. The only issue is the 30, man.
Salary.
Yeah, that is true. That is very, very true. So the 30 minutes, we have a little level here, which is nice to see. And
don't talk me out of the straight backs.
Here. Nah, the hourly looks good though still. People asking, I've been stopped at break even. Ah, that's a shame, man. I'm still in mine at the moment. I got in at 429. Since it was a 30-minute close, why didn't you consider a buy limit for 30-minute bottom wick? What? I don't trade taking trades on bottom wicks, my man. Ah, Craig, that's gonna be so annoying if I just hit you out. It's gonna run a TP now. Fuck. Oh,
Please just break the highs. Fix my
yeah.
hangover, please.
I know, man. Fucking hell.
I got in at 4:30. I literally point something pip or something.
Yeah, I got it
Was gonna tip away.
429.
Oh, did you? Okay.
Should be good. It's just fucking about a little bit. Look at the 1 minute.
Yeah. I think it was a really nice trade.
Yes.
Yeah, the 50s and 30s look. Although it doesn't look good there, it looks good for the hourly because the liquidity, like sellers are getting in, like when it breaks the low, but the hourly's still respecting the low. I think it's clean.
Yeah. Just fucking hit TP1, you dickhead.
What did you get up to? Like 9, 8, 9.
I got to like 8. Yeah.
Classic.
Classic GG. On Monday morning. If it didn't sit 1 pip, I would be sound. Ah, that's a shame. It's okay. It's just the start. It's just the start on a Monday. So yeah. Oof. Let's look at the hourly now. Yeah. The only issue is the 30 and the 15, but I think the hourly could be interesting. I'd say if sells below 152, 15.221 would be nice. For sure. Oh, GJ, you're fucking pissing me off now already. Already this week. I'm gonna focus on gold. So Goldie, yeah, it's just in a little tricky situation, but it has been ranging the whole of Asia, which means that London should bring it the volume, which would be very, very nice to see, to be honest with you. Are you from England? Yes. From England. Make sure to like the stream, guys, if you're in this trade. I know it's fanning about, but hopefully you should hit TP1 soon. If not, it'll be break even. If you're in this trade, make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see if we can hit TP1 for you guys. Just use a bit more of a rocket ship. But yeah, the reason why this is the first impulse that I took in a long time, because of the fact that the rejection wicks were nice here. Yes, this did exceed the low of the previous, but for me it was mainly based on the hourly, and I kept my stops below on the hourly, so that's why I took it. So yeah. Is Boris Becker your father? 24 minutes left, you know, probability wise we should potentially exceed this high. When we exceed that high we should be good. Just gotta do it. Oh mate. The fucking 1 minute. Keeps on wicking back down. It's all good though because it's break even. You can't really do just making a low wick. If it stops you out at 420, would you re-enter 30-minute flip? Nah, I'd probably wait then, because that's the entry I want, because it's leaving the zone. If you get in here, it may retest, it may fuck about still. I'd probably wait until then the hourly closed. Geordie and Aussie mixture. There's Geordies, there's Aussies, there's South Africans in here. We got Swedish, we got loads. Yeah, this GJ trade now on the 1 minute is just a fucking hope. It's been annoying, man. Keeps on coming back to this level and wicking back all the way up to it. This 15 looks good now. There's 8 minutes left. It should fucking flip it and continue. We got geezers, yeah. Ah, fuck you, GJ, that's annoying. But yeah, I mean, it's only a Monday morning. It's grand, but it does look like this 1 minute now is coming back down to this level. Come on, GJ, do it for the boys and girls on the stream on a Monday. Yeah, Aud Jpy is going to be looking good below that level, because then on the 30 you got clean areas. 2. So yeah. Oh, I don't see Ronaldo's hat-trick. Fuck, yes. I was in the league trying to find a fucking pub to watch that thing on, but the stupid rugby was on. Like, ah!
It was such a good game.
Yeah, man. Oh, shit. First goal was fire.
Oh, it was crazy. It's like 2007 Ronaldo back again.
Yeah. What a game that was. What a game. As I said there today, there's not really much news, which is, you know, okay, not too bad. Not too bad. Let's see, look here. Going to be so pissed if this flies up now. Craig, don't say that. Do it for the boys. The 15 should theoretically not exceed the low and flip and continue, but it's just how much low wick do you need, boy? You just use naked support and resistance or some additional stuff as well. Yeah, support and resistance and all the higher time frames. Every single time frame, from, you know, daily to 5 minute, 15 minute. It's all indicators I need, boy. Oh, if you kept that trade on, you'd been passing phase 1. That's annoying. It's just annoying that it goes to like nearly TP and then just fucking fannies about for 15 minutes. 156 people in here. Wow, amazing for not even 8 o'clock yet. Beautiful work. Yeah, for me on gold, it's kind of a tricky area for sells because it's just coming back to them wick areas, and you always know that, you know, gold is going to make a support at some point, probably pretty favorably. Oh, you suck, GJ. You really fucking suck. Do do do. So yeah, it got to like 509. Yeah, I got hit out of break even over here then, guys. Beautiful work. Well, that's a shame. But we've got to move on to the next one. So let's take a look over here. So it's re-tapping the zone. It may continue over here after, but for me, I gave it the opportunity to continue, and it did not. So let's do this. But yeah, that was nice. Finally getting like a bit of an earlier move. Yeah. So 30 minutes closed the book. Yeah, man, it's nice, man. This still is gonna be fire, especially with that 30-minute closing. Maybe I should have had it at not a break even, and maybe still more stops here. But we'll see if that would work out. Because this is just tapping the previous zone. 4 minutes left for this 15. You know, it's still reasonable. How many times do you lose a trade because you move stop loss too early? What, lose a trade? Or because if you lose a trade, then none because I'm at break even. I think you mean how many trades do not hit TP? Well, yeah, but I think it depends on also how many run to stop loss as well. I'd rather have a break even than a stop loss, so that's okay. And I know when there's good volume, all I had to do is run another 2 pips and I would have been fine. But it's just chilling about at the moment. Gold to back up. Gold is just in the zone, isn't it? You just gotta wait for it to break above and below, boy. You got a great entry. Yeah, man, it was a good entry, especially on this 30. Yeah. Nice entry. Just seen the 1 minute close back above. Yeah, fuck you if it does this now after all that. Nice. Need to get the trade room to breathe. Moving stop really doesn't help. But it was up 9 pips, 8 pips. I'm not losing that trade after that. Where's your TP? 153,640 would be. Obviously first to 10 pips and then yeah, 640. Yeah, if you're still in, you're probably going to be good now. So that 5 minute came out of nowhere. Or maybe you may just chill in this range again. Have a re-entry point question mark? Later on, I'm just gonna wait for the hourly to close. For me. That is the thing with getting into trades a bit before London Open. Sometimes I didn't have enough volume, as you can see here. You may be able to squeeze out 10 pips on some areas, but sometimes it is a bit hard. Good morning. I'm in the same GJ trade on the 1 hour. Nice. 15 minutes salary in 2 minutes time. Yeah, I wanted that entry, so I think getting in now would be silly for me. I'd rather just wait for the hourly to close. Only 16 minutes left. That was a nice 30-minute closure though. Fuck. I'm in the same GG trade on the 1 hour. Yeah, exactly. Just making 30-minute bottom wick. Yep. Same with the 15. Yep. Exactly. London already opened 43 minutes ago. They changed the time from March 13th till 27th. Really? Have our clocks gone back? What the fuck? Really? I did not know that. London sessions earlier now. Really? I don't know that for me. What's up, man? Would you be interested in doing a friendly competition trade of trading US30? Well, I don't know how to trade US30, so that would be fun. Yeah, I got a message from my broker. Ah. Someone says no for London. It's the 27th of March. Oh, am I gonna get an hour in bed again? Oh, that's gonna be nice. An extra hour. I think it's the 27th of March. Yeah. 28 likes, guys. Make sure you like the stream already. Already talked about one trade over here. It looks like it may still be struggling in this area. Holy shit. But yeah, beautiful. You'll lose an hour. Oh, what? Oh, fuck that. I'll lose an hour. Oof. If you're looking for a good broker, make sure to join my broker over here. That I use. It's been amazing for the past 4 or 5 years. It's been gorgeous. Cocks go forward. Ah, man. Yeah, that's gonna be interesting for me. My sleeping pattern's gonna be screwed. 188 people in here. Wicked stuff. Just take a look over here on this chat. It's the US one, yeah. Daylight saving. Ah, so if in the US. Yeah. It's only the US ones. So yeah, Aud Jpy, I saw that. Was it Fahad over here? Took a trade. Was it last night? Yeah. Where was it at? That was right at the open. Let's take a look at where that was. Yeah, here. Was it on the hourly? Yeah. Hourly closed. That was nice. Right to the highs as well. Shee. Oh my god. Oh my fucking god. Still hasn't yet. My god. That's what I'm saying. So normally, like before London Open, sometimes there is little moves, but normally you have to hold on for a bit longer, and they just have to fuck about a little bit. So today NY open an hour earlier. Yeah. Does that mean NY is open a bit earlier today? Because I'm assuming NY is that time. Is NY open like 11? Not 11. Sorry, 12. Yes. Oh wow. Okay. So we're gonna have an interesting day here. An interesting day. NY opens an hour earlier. Okay. Wow. That'll be pretty interesting then. Have to start NY a bit earlier than today. What do you think GJ on 50-minute now made a bottom wick and now exceeds the wicks? For me, this is not nice now, okay? Look at the 1 minute. And I know like you don't want to look at the lower time frames, but look at this, man. Look how many times we tried to break this high. We just can't do it. So for me, I'm just going to wait for this hourly to close now. Normally when I see price, you know, just struggling in a certain area, getting into a trade in that area is just a no-no. I'd rather just wait. Sell limit triggered on GJ. Ooh, a sell limit. Did you get in there? Yeah, so if people just join now, yeah, I got a break-even trade over here. Got in when we exceeded the high of the previous 30-minute and hourly. Stop loss below. Came to about 89 pips and then could not continue, which is a bit of a shame. But for me, I was not closing that earlier. Look at the left-hand side. It was clean candles to at least 153,630, so it's a big zone. I just sent you a DM on IG. Oh, I'll take a look. Yeah, guys, make sure to be careful. I'll try and find this. Make sure to don't get scammed by the scammer who's using my thing. 1 second. I get like messages about it every single day. 1 second. I'll just go on this one so you can see it. Yeah, this one here. So it looks exactly the same as mine, but he's got an underscore there. So yeah, he's just faked it all. He's actually getting a lot of fucking views on it as well. What the fuck? But anyway, yeah. He's just trying to fake everything. Yeah. So yeah, just report this account. It's got an underscore. Have I already reported on this one? Right there, I'll do it. But then when you go in the link tree, he's actually using my link, so I don't know what the fuck he's doing, but anyway. So yeah. There you go. Just a little heads up. You gotta love GJ. Range 1 fake out. On GJ, I don't think it's a fake out yet. No, still hasn't closed below yet. But it is struggling in that area. Damn. It's struggling a little bit. We'll see. Is gold doing anything? No, nothing yet. So it looks like a lot of volume hasn't kicked in yet, which is fine. For me, that was a nice trade on GJ. It was beautiful. Just didn't have that push yet. Aud Jpy still continuing down. Has it exceeded that low yet? No. Yeah, it'd be interesting to see get a closure below 85,225. Let's look at the 4 hour now. Yeah, could be interesting. Fake out normally occurs opposite of trend. The fake out will be if this candle closes back below, because the 30-minute is closed above the zone. So this is the zone that we've closed above. We've closed above. This candle now closes like this. And that is a fake out. And you may be getting sells below. I may look for sells below if you get a fake out. But yeah, let's just get rid of this here and this here now, because you got to break even. GU had a nice move. Check it out. Yeah, I'll take a look at that for sure. Is anyone still holding on this GJ? Yeah, I'll take a look at GU over here. $38 likes in the building over here, guys. Make sure you just smash the like button. It takes 2 seconds. We can be up and ready for this week. So make sure you like the stream, guys. Always helps me out. Let's take a look. Ooh, kind of clean candles for buys over here. Let's take a look on the hourly and the 4 hour. Yeah, so looking like finally making some support. I don't know where you would have got in, really. Let's take a look on that lower wick. That's not too bad. 5 pips. For 8 pip gain could be interesting. Coming towards now a potential resistance level here. So yeah. GJ 30-minute also closed with no wick at the top. Oh, it did for me. Oh, if it finally does this now, well done for whoever's held this or trade on. Hopefully, it should hit TP1 over here. I've said that for the past like 15 times now, but whoever held that on, you may have sweaty balls, but you may get your 10 pips right now. It's quite close to the hourly. I wonder if it's going to do it before then. Oof. Oh, Dylan's on. Dylan's holding this. Yeah, I'm trying to think of where you would have got in GU. Maybe there, maybe exceeding the high on the 30 here. Probably there, to be honest. Because the rejection wicks are good. I love having these rejection wicks, especially for like buys that are not with the trend. Because you can see over here, the trend with GU is bullish. Yeah, the trend is very, very bullish. So. Let me just sort this out. Someone's just joined over here. So yeah, this week as well, we're gonna be back testing Aud Jpy with the group, which is gonna be fun to do. Quite excited for that. So if you guys do want to join the mentorship, make sure to join the link over here. Got a lot of stuff coming this week. I'm gonna be posting out a lot of content, so it's gonna be nice. If you need that extra bit of help, if you're struggling. So yeah. Oh, you're gonna get it, you're gonna get it, you're gonna get it. Oh my god. So close to breaking it, but it can't. So people just new here that joined, I got into a buy here, 423, came up to about 8 pips, and then literally ranged on this zone for fucking ages. From 724 to 753, it's still here. Still not breaking that high. Well, I might just do it now. Bro, how come market opened at 9 PM last night? It's something with the clocks moving back and forth for some reason. And there you go, guys. Hit TP1 over here. If you held that on, well done. Congrats. Finally hit TP1. Which is 1523. Just about. Beautiful. WW. Well done, Dylan, for holding that on, my man. Well done, well done. So yeah, potentially, I mean, this hourly is going to close now, but for me, the way it's moving is not a nice sign, to be honest with you. It's fucking about. Normally, when I see price moving like this, kind of scares me. So let's take a look at this hourly, making lower wicks, etc. See how far we can make a lower wick, and then how much we can continue. Maybe it might just stop pushing off now because it's been ranging in that little tiny minute range for so long. You may get to 640 over here. So well done for people holding that on over here. You may have sweaty balls, but you got your 10 pips finally. Yeah, if I held mine on, I would have had maybe 1 or 2 pips drawdown. That's it. It's not too bad, but for me, it should have ran there. 30-minute though was still reasonable. Didn't exceed the low. Was making the lower wick. But yeah, beautiful. That's just for me in my psychology. I don't want to be in a trade that I'm up 8 pips on, 9 pips on, and then going into drawdown. It just doesn't seem right. Okay. Just gonna quickly go to the toilet, guys, and we're gonna be ready for London Open. I've got my pajama onesies on today again. Oh shit. Right, we're 2 minutes, guys. Right, back on over here. So, start of the new hourly in 2 minutes or so. Nice. Finally got that little push. Let's take a look at gold. Yeah, gold's still potentially ranging until 1970. It'd be nice to look later on though. It'd be pretty good. So we'll have to see. We'll have to see. I do think though, potentially when we continue down here, it's going to be looking pretty nice. You should just remember that Asian, it did range, so we could get a lot of volume in this session. I use 4 hour on TradingView, which has candles closing on the even hour, but I noticed that it's now on odd. Any ideas why? Yeah, this US session, they've moved their clocks back or some shit. I don't really know why, I don't really know how, but they have. There's a news thing on it. This could be the 4 hour flip, yeah. For me though, that last 4 hour candle closing like that just shows to me that it's tapping a certain zone, coming back up. So I prefer buys above 1977 flipping the 4 hour, to be honest with you, but we'll see. Would you hold GJ for the opening? For the opening, it's probably going to push down quite a lot, to be honest. Pull back a bit. Oh, 30-minute close doji. Yeah, I don't know about that. It's probably going to come back down now. I would have taken positions off for sure, especially with it how horrendous it was ranging. I don't know. I have a feeling that this may reject, so we'll see. We'll see. Hourly closed above though, nice. 4 hours tapping previous 4 hour support right now, which could be making it a little bit of resistance. There's only an hour left of this 4 hour time frame. But yeah, these 50-minute candles now just closing 2 doji, not really the nicest. I closed half 10 pips and I'll leave 50% to do the dirty work. Nice work. Very, very nice work. Ooh, may continue. Yeah, this is a bit, for me, this is a bit of a sketchy area, especially when we were just in that trade before in this area. It just doesn't like to move nicely. No, oh my god, the chat. Guys, 7 AM, London was open was at 7 AM. No, it wasn't, because the UK hasn't changed, it's just the US. This is London open, because it's 8 AM in London. You get me? So yeah, what am I potentially looking for? For GG, I'm not going to lie, that move for me was the move I wanted. I can't really see anything now because we seem to be moving horrendously in this move, in this zone. Yeah, kind of spontaneous. Look at these 5-minute candles, they're kind of just ranging, they're awful. So yeah, that doesn't really entertain me. Take a look at gold though. As I said, it's coming towards the low of these levels. My only issue is the support here, the support here. It's how far does it want to push down. For me, there's still a key level there, 1971. I'd rather have buys above 1977, so yeah, we'll have to see. We will have to see. Potentially wait for the next closure, I think is what I'll do. Let's take a look on this 30. The 30-minute did close bearish, which is nice. It made a nice top wick as well, rejecting the highs. But as I said, I think trading in this zone is going to be a bit of a sticky situation. The hourly didn't close below either. Look how many So you got to think to yourself, right? If you're taking trades in this in these areas, are they going to be the cleanest trades? Well, if you're selling like at these areas right now, look how many times it's rejected off it. I mean, fucking hell, like quite a lot. So not the most sensible setup, really. GJ, let's go. Whoa, it's nearly. My early entry was fire, just didn't fucking run until then. Finally did though, which is good for people, who, especially in the YouTube. Looks like people in YouTube held that on, which is nice. Potentially flipping now and continuing, which is looking good to 153,630. Beautiful. So bias was nice. People are new here who didn't come before. I took a buy here. Stop loss below. Then we started ranging in these areas. Finally hit 10 pips though, which is good. Should come to 640. And where do I get that from? Well, just looking at the left, where did we have a resistance? It was at that level. Take a look here. Price fell down, and then we made a little resistance level. This is the support as well. So these areas is where you want to be taking off profits. So yeah. Gold weaker impression. Ooh. Yeah, man. I don't know. For me, I don't trust these gold sells. And you know why is that? As I said, you know the amount of arrows of rejections before on the 30 minutes and the hourlies here in these areas, and also the 4 hours, man. The 4 hour literally did this before. And then retraced all the way back up, respecting this level, these levels. So yeah, I don't really like the sells, I'm not gonna lie. So probably just waiting for buyers over here and GG out and gold to flip it up, or maybe some support forming in this area to then ride it back up. That's what potentially I may look for. Take a look on the 5 minute how that looks like. Yeah, so if you've got something showing me some strong bullish confirmations here, maybe buying, and then I can have a stop loss below the level. Got in like here, stop loss below, yeah, like 25 pips, that would be nice. That would be very nice. That's potentially what I'm going to look for. So we'll see in this next couple of candles. The 9 minutes left for this 15, it's definitely tapped that level. So we have to see where this candle closes for me. 208 people in here, wicked stuff, 54 likes. Make sure to smash that like button over here. If you're still with that GG, I think it's reasonable to take positions off now. You got 12 pips, pretty reasonable. Aud Jpy, ooh, over here. So it looks like Jason may not have got in this because it never really flipped and exceeded the low of the previous. The hourly candle closed bullish. The 30-minute candle closed bullish and bearish. So not really the nicest price action on the 30, and the 15 is looking nasty. So for buys above, probably above 85340 again. That'll be close to flipping the 4 hour again and coming above this level on the 30. Yeah, you can see that this is the clear support. So if you guys want to look a bit more about your zones, just look at where supports are holding. They're your key levels. In my group, we do homework basically every couple of weeks. On different kind of charts. We're going to be doing that this week as well, so very nice. Gold is breaking the lows now. Nice. Just got out of GJ. Beautiful work, Dylan. Nice work. You held that on nicely. Now go in a shower and wash your balls. If 50-minute closes below support, clean sells on Goldie. Yeah, potentially if it makes a nice top wick, yeah. My issue is this 30. I mean, maybe I'm just looking too much, but I just don't like the higher time frames of gold. Look at these wicked areas. I don't know. For me, I just don't like these sells, to be honest. I may leave that out. I may leave that today. We'll see. Looking like it's pushing down pretty hard, which is nice to see. But yeah. Oh, looks like GJ hit 600 finally. Very, very nice. TP hit on what? GJ or? Oh yeah, GJ. Nice. Beautiful. Beautiful. Finally got there, man. Finally some nice 5-minute candles here. Finally got there. Beautiful. So yeah, GJ gold coming down as well. 680. Let's take a look at this hourly time frame. Very nice. GU grabbed 20 pips. Oh, GU. You took a buy, potentially? Wow, those 30-minute candles looking clean. Come up to that resistance as well. That's where you want to be taking positions off. Very simple. If price then closes above here, then you got resistance levels here. 1.30621. And then higher up here as well. Yeah, a lot of stuff. Pretty simple. It's looking like a lot of volume is in the market right now, which makes sense because Asian didn't have much. So if Asia doesn't have much, then damn, we move nicely. We move very, very nicely. Exactly. So I mean, TPs for gold, if you want to keep them on, I mean, to 1961 could be reasonable. But as I said, I just don't know if I like this with the 4 hours. It'd be interesting to see if this 4 hour closes bearish, then I'd be more inclined for sure, I think. 18 pips does surely pay a month bill. Oh, nice. 18 pips, that's beautiful. 18 pips is solid. Oh, look at that retracement. That's what I'm saying. Look at that retracement. Where is gold sells? What do you mean, where is gold sells? I did not take gold sells. I just don't trust the sells. So looks like I pushed down quite a lot of room over here. 26 pips, but then could not continue. Could not continue. And GJ smashed that TP level, which makes sense. If you guys didn't have that marked up, then just look on the 15 and you got it right here. To that level. Pretty simple. Ooh, AJ is starting to continue back above this 4 hour zone here, which is 85340. Very simple. Oh, GJ's pushing up nicely. Very, very nice. So you can see, getting in a bit earlier here, which I did at 7 o'clock, it does work out, but you just got to hold it a bit longer. Finally does make the move. But yeah, I gave it that chance. Oh, gold coming back down over here. If you guys have any questions, let's take a look in Discord if you guys have any charts for me to look at today. Oh, we do have one today. Let's take a look at Zephy over here. So, you're looking for buys above. Yeah, that's what I was looking for as well. That's what we took as well. Beautiful, man. It was very, very simple, you know. The whole kind of basis of it was, you know, price made a high, came back, made a support. Continue up, should break the high and continue, which it did, so. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Oh shit. I just took over the flag. 1 second, guys. I think I may have fucked the stream. Oh, there, okay. Wicked. 18.9 pips bagged. Happy lady over here. Oh, nice. 18 pips. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. Yeah, for me, I'm trying to think of where I will potentially, because that was the move I wanted. That was the move I wanted, and I just got this area here, which is a bit annoying. The one time we don't get 10 pips is the day I start streaming a bit earlier. Gold still coming back down, back to 1967 over here. Oof. Another closure in the next 2 minutes time. Strong bearish closure. Still look at this hourly now. Ride that hourly wick. I mean, it could come down to 1962. Yeah. Those 5-minute candles are pretty clean, actually. Pretty clean. Thank you. Great plan strategy. Oh, good morning, official Linz. Yeah, Linz, we took a trade over here this morning, but look what happened. Oh my god. So it was on the hourly exceeding the highs of previous, stop loss below, and then we got to right around, I think it was 8 pips. Take a look. Yeah, 8-9 pips over here. I got to like 8, I'd say, and then look at the 1 minute. Oh, hit me out of break even here.
Max, I took AJ buys, man. Fuck, it was tasty.
Oh, nice. How did you get in? Honestly, where did you
On
get
the
in?
15.
Exceeded the
So
high.
my stop no at the flip, previous flip.
Oh, fuck. Nice. Where do you put your stop? Just below this area?
Yeah, actually I just added at 10 pips, you know, but that support was old. Like my support was at 260. So if you put the price level at 260, we failed to close above that area. And at open, as we wicked down and retraced, I fucking got it on the flip like immediately.
Yeah, man. And that was below like hourly supports as well, man. That was nice.
Yeah, 100%. Nice.
That was
Sorry,
nice.
sorry, I was so quiet. I was focused. I was so focused.
13 pips. Nice. Nice. I got 15 pips on GG on re-entry, but the first entry got stopped at 5. Yeah, so you must have got in a bit higher than me because I didn't have any. Oh yeah, re-entry's here, 15. That's nice. Very nice. So yeah, gold for me, as I said, I just don't trust these sells. I'm gonna stick to it. I'm gonna stick with my bias. I don't trust the sells, especially with these 4-hour levels, man. I just don't trust it. I don't trust it. I'll wait until this 4-hour closes in 44 minutes. If it just closes solidly bearish, and fair enough. But for me, I just don't trust it a little bit. 60 likes, guys. Make sure to like the stream if you guys have not already done that. Beautiful for a Monday. A lot of moves, a lot of volume, which is nice to see. Me gusta. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for gold to come back up over here. If I start to get some confirmations that we're closing above this level again, then she could be pretty nice. Because for me, I just don't trust these sells. I think it's making a lower price to then run it back up today. So yeah, we'll see in the next 5 or 15 minute candles. Love that GJ used that entry to bounce off. Yeah, I mean, to be honest with you, it makes sense because that is like the length of a lower wick. But it was just like, come on, man. For me, I didn't like it. For me, it wasn't more so like the stop loss to break even in that area. It was that the 1 minute time frames were rejecting pretty hard. They kept on tapping 500 and you know, retracing off. I was like, you know what, nah, I need stop loss to break even there. Oof. Look at Goldie coming back up over here. Hey everyone, spam up that like button if you haven't already subscribed. Yeah, make sure to like the stream, guys. 2 seconds to do it. We'll take a look at some fire trades potentially. I mean, odd gold. If this was GJ over here, then damn, man. GJ, a sell on the flip here would be nice, but yeah, I just don't like these sells for gold, to be honest with you. Look at the hourly rejecting again already. Check gold on the 1 hour and 5 minute. Could have been nice. So hourly pushed down pretty bearish. Yeah, the 5 minutes were chill. The only issue I had there was these wicks. Yeah. I mean, I know we have 8 o'clock volume and London open, but selling when there's wicks here showing that we've rejected before, I just didn't want to take that, especially on a Monday. The funny thing is, my bullish pennant gave me the entry. I knew it didn't have any other direction than upwards for GJ. Ooh, pennant. What's that? A pennant, jeez. I do think later on, guys, GJ should still continue over here. Let's take a look at this 4 hour. Yeah, 41 minutes left. So this is why also I wasn't really that asked that this didn't have a bottom wick, because you only had like an hour of the candle left. Like, you know, is it going to move down all the way 50 pips back to this low and make a lower wick? Probably not, you know. Always think about it probability wise. Makes it so much easier. Goldie flipping the 15-minute again. 20 pips in the high would be nice. 40 pips in the previous. That 20 pip high could be interesting. Let's take a look at the 5-minute though. Yeah, the 5-minute didn't close above. Still got time. It's got 1 minute left. Hasn't closed above in that area. Interesting. Finally, GJ coming back up, which is good to see. Look at the daily time frame. For sure, in the next couple of days, maybe today or tomorrow, 154.850 would be nice to continue to them highs. They'd be pretty reasonable. Any more charts, guys? Make sure to send some charts in for the stream that we can take a look for sure. But yeah, gold's flipped this 15 now. What it's done as well is it's tapped the previous zone. So for me, I wanted that closure back in the zone. Now it's tapped it. Could potentially continue down over here to 1965. For me, gold needs to close below 1970 for sells. It did on the 15. Do you want maybe a higher time frame? Or maybe the 30-minute. Maybe on the 30-minute. Can you check your AUD? Send me a chart, man. I'll take a look at it if you send me a chart. Yeah. There we go. But yeah, for me, I'm quite interested with this gold later on, man. Really want to run up some buys at 1977. Stop loss move to 153592 on GG. Oh wow, you're still holding? Shit. 593. You just got it below this level. Yeah, I think that's pretty reasonable. You may get a nice little push off over here. If not, then you've secured quite a lot. Yeah. Where did you learn Forex? I learned from Mr. Raja and Ted. And I didn't buy anything. I just went on the streams for 2 years straight. 2 years straight, boy. And yeah, that's how I learned. Pretty simple. Just went on their streams when I was at uni. I was just sitting watching their live streams in lectures. It was great. It was great. See this hourly time frame. Gold is tempting. I'm gonna wait for the 30-minute to close. Yeah. Yeah. And then the other issue with the 30 is it's a little minor 30-minute support as well. Here. I just don't trust these sells for some reason. It's mainly that 4 hour, to be honest with you. And the daily has no top wick. Yeah, the daily has no top wick. So if people don't know what that means, it's just that if you look at all of the other candles around, apart from that one, let's take a look at any other more. The one there. So one in every 20 candles or so may have one. So it's a very, very low probability of happening. So if you have 12 hours left of a daily candle and you don't have a top wick or a bottom wick, the probability that it makes one is still quite high. Obviously the probability decreases as the time goes down. So if it's got like 3 hours left and it's here, then the probability it's going to make one is pretty low, so you don't have to worry about it. But for me, it's like, is it going to continue still all the way back down to 1945? I don't think so. I think it's going to make a support of some area. What's Ted's YouTube or IG? IG is silent in the charts. This one. Yeah. Potentially exceeding 675 now, which is good to see. A lot of momentum. Wow, I wish I held that on now. Shee. 22 pips is pretty beautiful, to be honest. Good day, YouTube, for the stream. Grab 3%. Oh, nice. 3%. That's not too bad. That's not too bad at all. 71 likes. Yeah, potentially, I think... Aud Jpy, if this 4-hour closes above this area again, then it's going to be good to continue. Jason's already caught that little buy over here. Oh, that was tasty. Jason was eyeing the sells and the buys. He's like, no, bro, it's buy time. Yeah, so take a look at the left. If you do break this resistance, where's the next one? Well, you can see there's kind of traffic towards this area for me, which makes sense. Why does it make sense, this line for the next resistance level? Well, let's take a look, right? So we go to the left. There was resistance here. There was support here. There was resistance here. There was resistance all here, all here, all here. So you can see that this is probably the best area. That's where you should draw your line. When we can tuck buy on GJ, what is your resistance level? My resistance level is right at 153,640. For me, I wanted the buys where I got in before here. Now I don't know. I mean, it's still looking pretty bullish to continue. The 4 hours is very, very strong, so potentially could fill to 154. That would be interesting. Probably wait for the 30 to close, etc., etc. I am still watching it as a whole on the lower time frames, and it's not moving like deliciously. After this 5 minutes it did, but it's still messing about. First 5 minute bullish candle. Oof. 30-minute closing in 4 minutes time. If it closes back above 1972, jeez. That's going to be interesting. Very, very interesting. And there we go. So it makes sense, you know. Look what's happening here. We're rejecting pretty hard. Why are we rejecting? Well, it's because we're right at resistance. Yeah, take a look to the left. Right at resistance. So if this happens... sorry. If this happens in your on your resistance lines, then you know you've got good resistance lines, okay? I always found like to get the confidence that your resistance and supports are proper, you just gotta wait until price gets the resistance. If it rejects, you know, sometimes, then pretty nice. Raja is in London. Yes, Raja is in London. Raja. When am I in London? I'm in London next Friday. Not this Friday, next Friday. It looks like he's enjoying it. He likes London, man. Can't open online magic keys on Windows 10. Says an instance of the application is already running. Yeah, so you need to go Shift Tab. Oh no, just go to the bottom here and it should be there. You've already opened it, so it must be there. Yeah, I think you're trying to open it maybe from here and it's already opened. $25 pips on GJ, good. Yes, very good. So, gold came back up over here, closing potentially above. Oof. The hourly rejecting it. Bro, if I had to take a buy right now and to risk it for a chocolate biscuit, it would be here. Stop loss is like 30 pips. Because what is happening is we're closing back above this area to fill up this zone. Are you live alone? No, I've got my group over here. We're all chilling. We're a lot louder in NY session, to be honest, but yeah, we're just chilling. We're all here. Hey,
Will you behave when you're in?
yeah, you have to behave with YouTube. Same problem to me. It's just down here, Magic Keys. You've already had it open. It'll be on your little list down here. So let's take a look at the Audi now. Yeah, and the flower rejecting again. I mean, it is very counter trend, but this closure back above for me. Oof, 50 pips to the high as well. Jeez. Let's take a look. If this price comes back below, back to like 1969 and flips and exceeds the high, I'm going to probably get in with this, as it's respecting the support. Holy shit, did they just move up that much in that candle there? Wow, a nice strong candle above. Oh, you live alone. I think he means your living quarters. Nah, I've got the fam with this. But I am moving soon. I'm waiting for my mate to finish his masters and then we're gonna fuck off. Probably to Leeds or Manchester. Leeds. So nice strong candle closure above. Back above the zone. It should fill the zone up over here. Let's take a look at this 5 minute. Yeah, strong. So there we go. 15's closed. Nice. So if you got in the high, stop loss would be 36 pips. Watch film Kingsman. That film created in London. Yeah. Kingsman's good. Good film. The new one was interesting as well. People in YouTube, whoever's seen Batman, did you guys like it or not? I know the screen's lagging, I can see it. Don't worry about it. Yeah, did you guys like Batman? It's long but good, yeah. It was very, very long, and it's the first film that was long, and I was like, wow, this is fucking long. It was good though. I thought it was a bit too dark, man. As in like the actual visuals. I needed to like fucking have some infrared. I could barely see the movie in the cinema, and that was shit. It was pitch black. Like watching that movie at home with like normal lighting, you'd be absolutely fucked. You couldn't see anything. Oh, 29 pips in the low. If this flips. That does look pretty tasty. Will I have time to write it? That is the issue. A stop like that is pretty fucking nice, to be honest. So this is a... maybe there was a lot of shady orange and green in the movie. Nah, I liked it, but I saw a Bloomberg article saying it's nearly rated as good as Dark Knight. And I was like, what? Dark Knight is fucking like the best film ever. Dark Knight is like pinnacle. Dark Knight is undeniably amazing. So let's take a look. What's in my favor right now if I got into this? So I've only got a 15, which is a bit annoying. The 5 minutes though, rejecting the lows again. The issue is the 30-minute kind of did close below. Is kind of annoying. The hourly as well, still very, very bearish. So yeah, if I had to risk it for a chocolate biscuit, I would, but I'm probably just gonna wait for a 30 to close, maybe, or at least the next 15. No, so dark, no visualization. Oh yeah, someone didn't like it. It was very dark, man. I need some like light in it. I like the start, but yeah. Need a bit lighter. Ooh, is this Aud Jpy? Oh, 15 closed bearish though. I was thinking if this flips over here, looking nice to continue. But the 15 actually did close bearish here. Where did it tap as well? Previous resistance, so that's where you should have taken profits off if you got into buys. Pretty easy. Why can I not send analysis on my Discord, Max? Because you guys need to go to the when you join, right? Look. Welcome to Stockless Matters. Make sure you check the server rules first to get verified, then enjoy the trading server. So, you know, use that information. Go to server rules. Go down here and click that button. Click that button and then you can do whatever the fuck you want on it. But you need to just read it and just, you know to not be a dickhead and then do it. Then click that and then you'll see all of the stuff and you can do everything. You get me? Take a look at this 5 minute now. Is it closed yet? Oh, 38 seconds left. Closing. Weak bearish, maybe? Maybe bullish. But yeah, has closed above on the 15, but for me the 30-minute did close below, and also the 30, the hourly, 4 hour, very, very bearish. So I would like to get into some buys, but I do want at least something on it other than just the 15-minute, because the 15-minute is nasty. So yeah, as I said, this 15-minute closed bearish right at resistance. The 30-minute is still open. Yeah, 30-minute is still open, so it may potentially still continue here. So yeah, I do want to see more charts for the stream. That would be nice. I want to know if other people take different currency pairs, because most people here take the same ones. I know like people like some like random ones, but I think that's just new people starting off. But is anyone taking trades on a pair that has been profitable for like X amount of months that they like and they know how it moves in a session? We're going to be backtesting Aud Jpy this week because it is pretty tasty. So yeah, we're going to be doing that later on this week on the mentorship. Make sure to come and join the mentorship if you guys haven't already. Last week we took 5 trades, 4 wins, 1 break even, which is nice. No losses last week. So you can learn and earn. Pretty simple. Pretty simple. Yep, Jpy AUD is pretty reliable. Yeah, I mean sometimes sometimes I don't know. Just every time I seem to look at it, I get stuck in a range. But every time I don't take a look at it and it trades, it's fucking running nicely. Euro AUD. I've seen a lot of people like that actually. Let me just take a look. Wow, that pretty much looked the same as GA there. What the fuck? Let's take a look then. As a whole. Oh, look how clean that dailies were. Oh my god. Let's take a look at the lower time frames. Is the 50 minutes valid? 50 minutes are kind of more towards like trends instead of just closures, etc. Like here you can see that. Look at all this retracement come back down, but it always looks like it's trending upwards. But you'd never really get that on GJ. GJ moves more like this. Someone may be swinging. I did join the mentorship this morning, man. Amazing, brother. Yeah, I'll see you on NY, my man. For sure. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing gonna be starting the simulations tomorrow. Gonna ramp them up again. So we've got loads and loads of data, which is good stuff. The more data, the better. But yeah, look at this. Really holding this level right now. It's holding it. It's holding it. So, ooh, 5 minute close bearish here. Still look at this 30 now. Yeah, 21 minutes left. We'll have to see. 72 likes, amazing stuff. Yeah, if you guys didn't see Ronaldo's goal, you're missing out. It's fucking fire. Shit was fire. It's very, very nice. AUD is my favorite pair. I got recently 1,500 pips on it with one trade only. Pretty sure that is impossible. No, not 1,500. You said 15,000. You must have got the measurements wrong there, my man. Because 15,000 pips would be. Is that 10? So that there would be. Yeah, so 15,000 pips would be. Yeah, you didn't get 15,000. 15,000. Let's see if you can actually get 15,000 in this year, in these next past couple of years. No, that's only 8,000. Maybe you mean 1,500. I think that's still good, or maybe 150. You mean? Some guy just goes cap. Ooh, 5 minutes respecting that level. Jeez. 30 minutes, got 20 minutes left. Still has 15 as well. Oh man. This is looking nicer and nicer when I'm looking at it, man. A 10-year trade. The swaps would be ass. Yeah, it's looking good now to continue bullish. Let's take a look then on this 5 minute. Yeah, oh man, for sure. Look at that 5 minute closure. When we see these candles, holy smokes. Yeah, this is going to be looking nice. I'm going to get in at 1792 when we exceed that high. Stop loss is going to be below. Take a look on the 5 minute over here. Oh, fuck off. My magic keys, I keep on fucking up recently. It's annoying me. There we go. And stop for me now is going to be on the 30 minute low. So I'm in a trade now over here. Beautiful work. So I got in a trade 1972. Stop loss is in the current 15. Sorry, current 15. Yeah, beautiful. Which is also the low of the 30. I'm going to try and squeeze out 10-20 pips over here. Up 5 pips already, which is nice. That 5 minute closure for me was tasty. The 50 minutes exceeded the high. Now coming back into the zone should fill up nicely.
I got a sneaky buy too. I mean, 5, 6.
Yes, sir.
Oh, in pups, yeah, baby, yeah, baby. We talking now. Stop loss to break even. Let's run this bitch.
Let's run this bitch. Mine's a 7 pips. I'm alright. I'm gonna give it a little bit longer over here, I think. Let's take a look at this 5 minute. Yeah, the 5 minute is still reasonable for me. Try and squeeze out 10-20 pips or so. Because that hourly, look what it's doing now. The hourly's come back to that level rejecting, so yeah. I like that 5 minutes, so we'll see, we'll see. Sorry, stop is on mine is 1970. There we go. Beautiful work. GJ making some support. Oh, I don't know. Don't know about that. Don't know about that, boy. Market is very slow today. I don't think so. I think it's alright. It's okay. Flip the hourly, you pussy boy. So right at that level here, like 1973, I want to stop loss to break even, I think. For me. Yes, sir. I had 2 big buys on GJ, just cashed out 3k. Oof. Nice, brother. That is tasty. 1 minute left for this 15. Oof. This closes bearish. Fuck. One of that little push over here. Oof. Yeah, we're in this 1 minute candle over here. We close this out at 6 pips. That rejection there was not tasty. Let's take a look at this 5 minute now. Yeah, fuck man, I'm taking this off. Yeah. Yeah, that 15's closing. I just closed full over here, minus 4 pips. Beautiful. Yeah, that's also what I've been trying to do with gold over here. Is when we start to see any sort of type of change in direction, try to just get out as quick as possible. I wanted that little push, didn't give me it, and now I've just saved myself a bunch of money. So gold over here, minus 5 pips it was. Actually just checked it. Beautiful. Let me just move this now. Keep your losses small, your win is good. Yeah, and the last 50 minutes is like shit, man. If this 15 minute over here closed bearish, hell no. So what I did over here was that the 5 minute wanted to push, looked beautiful. Then when we started flipping below, we've only got 5 minutes left of this candle. The probability that this continues and closes bearish is pretty high. So just a good way to get out. Hey, just buy your subscription, bro. Waiting for confirmations. Beautiful, man. You'll get an email soon. For sure.
Didn't you get stopped at break even, or didn't you sit break even
Nah,
at 10?
Nah, I didn't hit 10, my boy.
Oh, sorry.
I didn't hit 10. I think you got in a bit earlier than me, didn't you?
Because of that saying.
I got in here. Yeah, I didn't get 10 on my thing.
Let me check my entry.
Yeah, nah, that 15 minute closing back below. Oof.
Yeah, I got in at 1971.
Ooh. Yeah, that's not bad. 1971, eh? Oh, fuck off. 1 second. There we go. 1 second. Wicked. There we go. So now with that 50-minute closing bearish again, let's take a look on the 30. Yeah, 30 may continue now over here. That 5-minute candle for me, I wanted that drive up. It gave me that drive up to start off with, especially with that 5 minute. But when this 5 minute here, 1 second, closes bearish like that, like it just did, I wanted this candle to close like this. The candle had 20-30 seconds left of that candle, started flipping below, like, you know what, cash this out. This is what I'm going to be getting into trades. Just a bit like what Raja does, you know, when things are not going in the right way, just get out and save yourself instead of just holding it, knowing that it's not going the right way. Yes, sir. Sponsored by Dr. Dollar. Dr. Dollar squad over here. Sheesh. Yeah, so it looks like that trade for the day was GJ, which is beautiful. 23 pips, very, very nice. Then 4 pips on Goldie. Very nice. Oh, yeah, that 15-minute now closing bearish. Could you have had it stop loss above? 25 pips, yeah, it could be nice now. 12 minutes left for this hourly. If this hourly closes below, nice. It's also the 4-hour closure. If this 4-hour closes bearish over here, sheesh. Oh, we got a donation from Dr. Dollar. Sheesh, my man. He's in the building. Go follow Dr. Dollar, guys. He's smashing it too, my boy. Let's take a look at Dr. Dollar. I'm pretty sure Dr. Dollar's on as well. We're both streaming, bro.
And accidentally I've made $1,000.
Jeez. Sheesh. Back to Dr. Dollar's on as usual. Mate, we both smash it in the London sessions. Easy work. Dollar sent me here. Love that, man. 77 likes. Sheesh. Love that stuff, man. Mate, this industry now is getting fire. Max, this month only 6 trades on stream. Seems like less so far. Yeah, most of them have been with NY, to be fair. And yeah, to be fair, how many days is it in? The 14th. Yeah, to be honest with you, probably less than normal, for sure. For sure. Let's take a look at Goldie now. Starting to come down, passing this previous support over here at 1968. What do you think about a sell on gold? I don't think a sell on gold is reasonable now. For me, you would rather have got in when this 50-minute closed bearish back below here. 24 pips. Now you'd be nice, because what's happening now is the 30-minute. Oh my god, I'm gonna fucking. Let me just get this off. Now is what gold is coming to a potential 30-minute support. Okay, so what you want to be is you want to be in a trade just before you get to that support level, and then you can take profits at that area. You can either run it if you think potentially you can continue, but for me, the 30-minute now, getting in right at 30-minute support is going to be silly. It's going to be a silly one. Let me just put that on over here. There we go. So yeah, looks like GJ, after that little push that we had just at London Open, we just chilled. Relax, man, you'd have to. That's fucking true. Got 10 pips on the sell. Good start to the week. Oh, amazing. What is maximum leverage on IC markets for UK residents? 1 to 500, I think. Yeah, 1 to 500, I think.
RFI has to be global.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you have to be global to get 1 to 500.
Oh, shit.
UK, fucking, I think they only give you 1 to 30 or something.
Oh, shit. That's damn. 1 to 30, damn. So yeah, look, does look like GJ was the trade of the day, man. It was really, really good, especially on that hourly time frame. Pushed off finally, and I do think potentially later on, especially with this 4-hourly closing above the 4-hour support here, we should continue bullish. And take a look to the left on the 4-hour time frame. Clean candles up to 154. So 154 is where I'm going to be looking at for sure. Because it's clean candles. When you have clean candles to the left hand side, price moves a lot quicker in that area. So, yeah, that's what I'm going to be looking for here. Let's move this. Let's take a look to the left. Yeah, exactly. You can see over here. I mean, 153,650 above that area, because that is the current resistance that we're holding. Take a look to the left. You can see over here. This is the resistance that's holding nicely. So potentially closes above, or you could wait for support to form at 153,420, something like this. Okay, let's take a look over here. So you could wait for NY session to continue down over here, make some support, and then wait for some 15-minute, 30-minute candles to close back bullish above in this area, making some support to then ride it back to the highs, and then continue bullish to 154, which is going to be the new area, which is going to be tasty because, as I said, you know, clean candles to the left hand side here. You can see price in that area moves pretty quickly, so a nice 40 pip zone that could be for sure. Take a look over here. Oh, Dr. Dollar on fire. Jeez. Dr. Dollar's got bread, bro. Dr. Dollar's got bread. He is definitely a Dr. Dollar. Dr. Dollar putting some pips on over here. Official ins. Gold left without us, lol. 50-minute look good. Yeah, man. 50-minute did look good. I was being cheeky for them little buys over here. But I got out of 4 pips, so I'm not too bothered. Oh, I think that my Instagram, your support request has been updated. Oh, I think that scammer might have been removed, maybe. Let's take a look if he's still on. Mate, Dr. Dollar has people like this as well, man. It's fucking annoying as shit. Look how similar it is. He's literally copied everything. He's got the same amount like his followers as well. He's using my link tree as well, but I think he just messages people. Cause I got DMs here saying, yeah, wait, let's take a look. Oh, this is the wrong one. He's like, do you like my content? I would never
Go onto Fiverr and find some like white hat hacker to hack his account.
Yeah. Let's see.
They'll charge you like 20 quid. You can just get them, just hack their account.
Yeah, look, it's this guy. Yeah, hello, brother. Is this your account? Thank you. You should report it. Yeah. Someone sent me videos. Is this guy? Oh, that's a different guy. But yeah, man. It's annoying. I wonder if it's like the same person just doing all of the streamers at once. Dr. Dollar come sponsor my stream. Bro, they got 3 profiles of me. Scammers got no life. Yeah. Why did Dr. Dollar? Why did Daniel lose his Insta, man? Because he had a blue tick as well. I thought that gives you some kind of authority.
Fuck. Okay, I closed my AJ position now. It was tasty. Yo, that retracement like had me by the balls.
All right,
Check
you got
that
in. So you got in there, and but you have stop loss to break even though, yeah.
Yeah, but still, man, that retracement, yeah. Even though I was break even.
Oh shit, yeah.
Yeah, but it was worth it, you know.
Yeah.
It feels almost like GU, like it felt like a GU trade way. The candles look so nice and big, but it's like it takes long to fill that area.
Yeah. I seen I think Dr. Dollar's still watching. Dr. Dollar, check out Aud Jpy. Holy fucking shit. It's like the easiest pair I've ever seen in my entire life. We're backtesting it this week. The candles are so clean. It works beautifully. Even especially in Asian as well. Asian is some beautiful moves. Just closures above and below, and the stops are nice as well.
Had's been fucking milking the shit out of it.
Yeah, I know.
He's probably chilling in bed like midnight, just like, oh yeah, get
Just the
confidence.
closures, like, and look at the strength of the candles. Like, it's just so nice.
He took like an hourly closure.
Yeah, last night. Yeah.
Yeah. I was like, he gives me FOMO, like especially like on a night show, and I'm not able to take the trade, and then I'm seeing, fuck, he got into it, man, and I was looking at it.
Like, look at that. That's a 15 pip stop. That's beautiful. I mean, like the stops on the 30s are fucking tasty. Like, look, there's resistance forming. You could have had a double whammy resistance formings there. You could have had one here when it rejected the highs to continue back down to the lows, which would have been, you know, probably here. I would have taken that off. Then you would have had a potential another one here, closure below, stop loss above, 15 pips to the low of the zone, which would be here. Man, tasty. And then buys above.
Next one there. This one here.
Yeah. There's so many.
It's just like keeps going, doesn't it?
Yeah. Oh, Dr. Dollar, man, bro. You got my support, fam. Keep teaching people the way. Not a lot of people do this for free. So make sure to hit the like button. Yeah, boy. Make sure to follow Dr. Dollars as well, man. We growing big. Me and Dr. Dollar. When did we start our YouTubes? You started. I had my YouTube for. When did you start live streaming? Let's take a look over here. All videos. Let's take a look over here. 6 months, 7 months, 8 months. Oh, look at the OG. The OG. That was 8 months ago. 8 months ago. That's on the 21st of June. Wow, so you started... I started in September, so... June, July, August, September. So you started 4 months before me. That's sick. Jeez! Look at that setup, bro. That's sick. Back in the days. Look at that, 61 viewers, bro. I wish we get that quick. Would you say Aud Jpy be good only in Asian? No, man. It's been good through London. It's been good through New York. Very, very nice supports forming as well. So yeah, pretty good. Yeah, really good. Chupapi, yeah. Did Dr. Dollar explain why Daniel lost his thing? I wanna know why Daniel lost his account, just so I don't have to, just so I don't do it. Fuck. Ooh, yeah. So I think that 15-minute closure back below was nice, man. Because the 30-minute was still, the hourly was still bearish as well. That was nice. Oh fuck.
Gold zelden ging nice, eh? Yeah, closures below.
On that 15, yeah. It was that 5-minute rejecting hard. When I saw it come back to entry there, I was like, oh bro, this is rejecting pretty hard in the previous zone.
And also look the closure below, and just wicked up and fell.
Someone was attacking all of us. Oh shit. Oh, didn't they just send like bots and shit to you, like loads of followers to this Instagram? Can't you just prove that somehow someone else did that for you? It's kind of hard, man. So this is what probably I'm gonna put out for the Instagram today. So I'm gonna put the recap of this trade and how it worked, and also how potential top wicks, bottom wicks were made. Look at the rejection wicks, man. When I see rejection wicks like this, oh mate, don't you worry, I'm getting in on that high. Hell yeah. Even this 30-minute exceeded the low of the previous. For me, this is a whole rejection wicks area right here. Comebacks, taps this area, flips, exceeds the highs. Beautiful. Very, very tasty. So now look what's happened over here. The 30-minute candle is closed below, which is nice. It also hourly has. The days you were there. The OJ days you were there. Ugly ass thumbnail started from the bottom. Now we're here. Yes, sir. Man, those OG days, man. Fuck. They were mad. Nah, Dr. Dollar reached out to me on Instagram. He was like, bro, we need to like fucking collab and shit. That was sick. That wasn't even that long ago, to be fair. Dr. Beast boy. Mate, Dr. Dollar's donations over here, just all paid by and sponsored by GJ. To be fair, not recently, all paid and sponsored by Gold recently. Jeez. You should make a banner on OBS, like, donations sponsored by fucking Gold or GJ. Let's take a look at how you could have got in. I mean, maybe on that 15 closure, that stops above 38 pips, 25, 26 pip gain.
Yeah, that's the 15 close was hard. I had my finger over it. It was 3 pips spread, and I was like, oh, can't take. We got on a 30 minute. You can see where it's.
Is it a 3 pip spread? Yeah.
On a 30, it was yeah. You had so you had your break, and then your retest point, and as the 15 closed back down here or something, that's where it was nice again.
Yeah.
But I was looking. I had open Calcon, and it was like 3.5. It's like Jesus.
Yeah.
Because you don't know what's gonna happen. Like you don't know if it's gonna wick up again or what.
Yeah. That would be nice to have made a top wick there, but maybe it did that on the 15, the previous. That was all that retracing was, wasn't it? Yeah, I don't know if GG has enough volume to continue, but look, the 4 hours closed now, and where's the 4 hour closed? Above our 4 hour support here, so looking pretty good now for continued buys later on, especially through NY. So yeah, NY is a bit earlier today, is it? Oh shit, my music stopped over here. Get off that one. That one's got copyright all over it. Fuck. Back on that one. Yeah, let's take a look at these 50-minute candles. 1 sec. Ooh, a little 50-minute support forming over here. Okay. How could you have had your stops below? 7 pips. That's not too bad. Yeah, maybe this next 15 closes above could be pretty nice to continue, maybe. Ah, Dr. Dollar is fucking spamming, bro. I need to give that shit to charity, brother. I'll donate that shit. Can we buy price in deposit depot and not by spread? Yeah. Grant, man, why do you keep on saying fix your mic? You've got the shittest mic going. So yeah, 154 is definitely an area that we're going to be tapping today. It's just how to get in, boy. Let's take a look at this next 30. Ooh, 30-minute Seri would be pretty nice. The hourly's still continuing up. The only issue is the hourly didn't actually close above 630, which is interesting. I'm going to wait until this next 15 closes. If it doesn't close above, then I may just leave it until NY. Yeah, 96 likes. Beautiful work today, guys. Amazing. I'm looking at all these chat comments. Someone goes, "Can you help me get my MFF 10k funding account? It's just $84 for you." Dr. Dollar's being the saint, bro. Dr. Dollar donating for some magic keys giveaways. Yes, that's true, man. Love you. Good night. See you later, Dr. Dollar, my man. Night. We'll see you. Does Dr. Dollar? Do you even trade? Do you still trade NY? You trade NY later on. You've been up. What time did you start your stream, bro? What time did you start your stream? You must be hella tired. 3 hours ago? Oh, that's not too bad actually. 6 AM. What time is that though? What time is that though in Miami? Shit. Yeah, we'll see this 15 closure. Yeah, some magic keys giveaways coming this way. That should be fun. So for me, I mean, later on, it's going to be interesting to see at 1962. If we pass 1962, then we should be continuing down. Let's take a look at this daily time frame. Yeah, man. If we still continue bearish, where are we going to continue to? Well, look where we're coming up to. We come to a clean daily candle. We should potentially drive down to the next resistance level and support level. 1 second, which would be first TP on the daily would be at this resistance here. And maybe filling towards the support here, right at 1930. But yeah, I think 1945, if we continue down over here, is going to be pretty reasonable, for sure. So yeah, 7 minutes left for this closure. Take a look at it. If it's a nice strong closure, then maybe. The only issue is the 30-minute close in Doji is not the nicest, but I think maybe a closure would be nice. Let's take a look.
I do understand that we have our 50th. Arohia.
What the fuck is this giveaway?
Cora.
Ah, that's
DM me
sick.
on Instagram. I'll take care of you tomorrow. Just say giveaway, and I got you.
I need to do more of that shit, man. Fuck. Giveaway, giveaway. Yeah, 6 minutes left for this closure over here. Take a look at the 15. Yeah, man, does look pretty good. It continues still, man. Looking like it's making some nice support as well. Let me just get rid of this because this trade was done now. Potentially 153538. Nice. You got stopped out at break even or holding position to 154. I got stopped out at break even. Yeah, on this bottom wick here. Which is annoying because I actually got in. I wanted to get in there, but I got slipped a little. So the things that are withers over here, we've got the 4-hour withers, we've got the daily withers, we've got the 30-minute withers bullish. The past one did close bearish though, which is annoying. And then this 15-minute making some support. Which is pretty nice. 104 likes today, amazing work. Make sure to like the stream up, guys. Like and subscribe. Damn, that sucks. Hate when that shit happens. Yeah, we got in very, very early at 7 AM. And maybe I should, you know, getting up a bit earlier, maybe you can hold the position a bit longer for sure. Do you like NFTs? No. I don't like NFTs. I think they're a waste of time. I think NFTs are a big scam. If there's no value with it, then it's just based on hype, bro. Just based on hype. Oh, GJ's breaking up over here, nice. NFTs are a joke. Oh, pushing off nicely. 30-minute is exceeding the previous high. So it's kind of a celery play on the high. 13 pip stop would be interesting. Is NY open an hour earlier today? Yes. So it'll be at 12 o'clock. Yeah, that'll be interesting. So we may start stream a bit earlier today and then finish a bit earlier. It's alright. That's okay. I mean, you can make some decent pesos with NFTs, but they're definitely a hype, yeah. Yeah, man. It just think of the concept of it. It just doesn't make any sense, man. It doesn't make any sense. NFTs. Oh, pushed quite a lot over here. Look at this 5-minute candle. Okay, mate. 154 inbound. Jason early in this. Jason's looking at these buys, bro. And gold continued back down to 1962 potentially. 1962. The 15. Oof. I think we may consolidate on gold between 68 and 62 until NY, and then we can break down at NY open. Yes. Very, very true. I think that would be pretty reasonable. I think that'll be pretty reasonable for sure. Yeah, I think this week I'm going on Trader Nick's on Friday, which would be fun as well. So yeah, a lot of stuff coming up. I do not agree, because there's NFTs like collecting the virtual football cards that already exist physically, and people didn't say that physically is a scam. No, I know, I get that. It's the stuff that doesn't have value, right? So like fair enough, like football and stuff, that's a real life thing. But like a picture of a fucking dog, the only time it's gonna have any value is if someone who's very, very famous buys it. And that's why the CryptoPunks and stuff are expensive and shit, and they're gonna probably hold value. The other fucking shit concepts are not gonna do anything. Hey bro, just wanted to let you know where we were a few months ago. A lot of people quit, and we persevered in our trading with our stream. Yeah, we persevered in our trading. I didn't even graduate high school. I don't even know how to spell Perez. But we went and got it. Yes sir, man. Exactly. Don't let things stop you, man. Just gotta grind. For sure, man. I think a lot of people like that, you know, you just gotta put the work in, especially with trading, you know, you just gotta put the work in and just learn it. Not like sitting on the chart for like fucking 15,000 hours a day. You gotta pick your moments to look at and just keep on getting used to the times, man. Because we know, you know, 8 o'clock we get a lot of volume. 7:30 there can be some earlier entries that you have to hold on a bit longer. There's so many things you can learn if you just focus on one session with one pair, 2 pairs. I sold my house to have starter money for trading. Is this the right choice, sir? No, absolutely not. My last webinar I went about psychology, and you know, if your trading account is a big proportion of your wealth, you know, it's not the best thing to be in, man, because you know you're depending on it. Whereas if you had a trading account which is 10% of your wealth, then you trade it like you just want to be correct, you know. And then you don't care so much about losing because it's not a big proportion of money to you. But like when I was younger, what I realized that one of the problems was that my trading account was, you know, bigger than my bank. So you know, it doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any sense having it like that. You gotta have the inverse. You can have like, you know, trading account maybe 10 or 20%. Like, yeah, keep it so like it's a bit of money, but not like it's gonna fucking kill you. Let's take a look at 15-minute stops over here. 17 pips. Yeah, man. I think it's a bit too much for me, which is unfortunate. Take a look at this 30. Yeah. Don't be that guy who is ignorant about NFTs, just saying, I'm not ignorant, I just know what's value and what isn't. If it's an NFT,
NFTs like a newborn baby, man.
If it's an NFT that gives you like, yeah, if it's an NFT that can sometimes give you maybe yields or give you points for something that you can exchange in a certain times, or give you access to certain events or something, like, yeah, fair enough. But if it's a picture of a fucking dog, like, come on, man. Or
like, even me,
yeah.
I'm not really buying into this whole NFT thing. Yeah, you know, in the future, if it does pay off, you know, well done, etc. But there's literally no data on it. Like what we're doing now, you can go back and you can see years. People have been doing this for years, you know. So what are the chances of it dying out right now, like immediately? You get what I mean?
Yeah.
And with regards to the NFT, it's so fresh, it's so new. So even if you should get to it at a later stage, I don't think, like, if it should be something good, you still won't be in a loss, even if it should be at a later stage. Are you with me?
Yeah, I think it's just, and like you see on TikTok, they're like, oh, it's a really good project coming out. It's got so many people on Twitter and stuff. What they're basing this good project on is how many people care about it. And it's like, well, yeah, fair enough, but when are those people are going to stop caring about it when they've realized they've just got a picture of a fucking dog on their screen and they can't actually do anything with it? If it's fair enough, it's in a game, or it's a picture that's going to be used in adverts so you can, you know, monetize it because you own the rights to it. But I can't see, you know, at the moment, certain things that are going to make it. But fair enough, like, if you own a picture and you have the rights to it and it's being used commercially for some reason, then that's great. But I don't think there's many of them. That's what I'm saying. So I'm saying that, like, if there's 1,000 NFTs, you're only going to see the 2 that are successful and make the person millions. The other 998 people are going to lose all their money, and I just think it's unfair on people thinking they're going to make lots of money when probably they're going to lose it. And the only people that are going to make money are the ones who can buy the expensive projects, which have already launched a bit. You know what I mean? I think it's just a lottery ticket, to be honest. But that's just my opinion. A lottery ticket. CoffeeZilla is good at exposing the bad side of NFTs. Like gold. Gold has real world, real world things. It's used for circuit boards. It's used for a lot of different things. Whereas a picture on a screen is not. The scam on NFTs is just that most of the projects are scams, but in some years you'll see the real ones. Yeah, man, like it's like that. It's like that trader. Who's he called? This fucking dude, man. I remember him doing it as well. What the fuck is this geezer? Yeah, he publicized one, and then they rug pulled it, and they made like 3 million. It's like that's such a dick move. Like and then like you post like all like his flash life and shit. And it's like, yeah, but you did kind of just scam people out. It's kind of like the worst. You must go to sleep fucking feeling great, mate. I generally, if I'm driving around in a Rolls Royce and I know that I made it from being a fucking cock to people and making people suffer, man, I couldn't live with myself. Dick move. Dick move, boy. But yeah, guys, I think for me the stops on GJ are going to be a bit too big. I'm probably going to wait later on for potential retracement, maybe back down 153,400 to then continue back bullish. Yeah, and I think gold, we'll have to see. Did the 4 hour close? Sorry, yeah, the 4 hour did close, so potentially sells later on as well. So guys, if you do want to join the NY session with the group, we're a lot more louder on that group, and it's so much fun. Make sure to come and join the mentorship. The link is right here. And I'll see you guys later on. If not, I'll see you guys tomorrow, starting at 7 AM again, because it's a good time to just start now. But yeah, guys, thank you very much for coming on. See you later, Zoom, later on. And take care, man. Peace out. Good start to the week, though. Really nice volume. So see you later, guys. Peace out, man. See you later, Zoom. See you later, guys. See you later, YouTube. Thank you very much. Peace out, man. See you later.